The National Weather Service in Los Angeles has issued a tornado warning for central Los Angeles County in Southern California until 9 p.m. PDT. At 8:21 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near downtown Los Angeles, moving northwest at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles is likely. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Los Angeles, Glendale, Burbank, Inglewood, Beverly Hills, Hollywood, Pasadena. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If outdoors or in a mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is a dangerous situation. Act now to protect your life. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued for central Los Angeles County until 9 p.m. PDT. Issued by National Weather Service, Los Angeles/Orange, California.